Hey guys, Harsh here back in the video, and today I have another M series Hogan Wings unboxing for you. And for this video I have to put my missile fantasies aside for now, because today I am unboxing a stealth aircraft which is the F117A Nighthawk, and this is a absolutely beautiful aircraft to look at even in real life and in a model form as well. So obviously this is in the 1 to 200 scale, and as always skipping the introduction of the aircraft because that's all available on the internet. So let's just quickly unbox it. I mean, it's hardly visible on the packaging itself, so that's how you know it's a stealth aircraft. So it comes in this standard Hogan Wings packing, and once we take it out we will get our look at the aircraft itself. So there it is in all matte black finish, which looks absolutely stunning. So let's quickly take it out. And this is a heavy model, which I'm not sure why, because all the other models that I have are pretty lightweight except for the Boeing models, and this is not even a Boeing model. So first non-Boeing heavy model that I have seen. So let's take a closer look at it. So not much to go over in this video because this is absolutely like a flat aircraft, so not many details or text written on it, and obviously because it's a stealth aircraft it should be like that. So let's start with the front of the aircraft, and you can see we have some antennas poking out of the nose of the aircraft, which I think looks pretty aggressive, and they are not even symmetrical, so that makes it even more aggressive. And to add to that, we have some shark fins or teeth on the side of the aircraft, as you can see. Now I mean, if an aircraft is coming at your way with this sort of paint job, I mean it's pretty much over for you. Then if you look at the cockpit, it is slightly dim yellow color, and I think it gives a very nice aesthetic to the cockpit window itself, and I don't think it's openable, so I will not try to do that. At the side of it we can see we have some markings written all over the aircraft, so pretty nice to see. I mean, I'm pretty sure this arrow right here says rescue, but not sure if rescue is properly printed on it or not, but it's very tiny to see in the first place. Then if you look at the engine intakes, it is protected by some sort of mesh all around, so I'm thinking this have to do something with the stealth of this aircraft, because it has to maintain a certain body shape. That's why there are no missiles sticking out of the plane's body, and they are all underneath this nicely cut out door which stores all the missiles or the bombs. Then if you look at the side of the engines, we can see we have the US Air Force logo and some other logo which I am not able to determine what it is. Maybe some of you guys can. And at the top we have some grooves cut out, and I think this is for the air-to-air refilling purposes. I might need to look that up. And here we have another different logo that I am not recognizing, so pretty new aircraft this is for me. So here we have another US Air Force logo. And so moving on to the wings, we can see that they are absolutely flat wings, so only the grooves cut out for the ailerons on both the left and the right side. And in this case I think they are working as a stabilizer as well for the aircraft, because obviously this does not have tail stabilizer, so I think these are fulfilling their purposes. I'm not sure. Then if we move to the back, we can see we have the engine exhaust, which I'm still not sure how the engine fires up or creates thrust with this amount of space. Maybe on the rear aircraft I might be able to see if I saw one in person, but still a very nice and unique looking engine exhaust that we have going on over here, which looks very nice as well. I mean, it's nice to see new things. And if you look at the tail fin, we have the US Air Force symbol or the US Air Force acronym there, and on the other wing as well with the registration number I think written on the side. So a very nicely detailed model there, because it's very easy to make. I mean, look, if you look, these are just flat surfaces, like someone cut a potato, you can probably make this aircraft. So pretty easy but pretty aggressive looking aircraft. It's a shame that they went out of production, I think, so we have now a limited number of these aircraft. Now if you look at the landing gear, you can see that they are, I think, pretty reasonably well detailed. I have not seen the real case, so can't really compare them with these, but they look very good. And the only thing is that they are painted white for some reason. I think they should be painted silver or slightly grayish in color. That way it will have a more accurate look to it, but still a pretty nicely detailed landing gear, both the front and the main landing gear. And as always, these are static landing gears, so do not try to roll them, otherwise you will break them. So there it is guys, the F117 or F117 Nighthawk by Hogan Wings, and this is a very nice model. to add to your stealth collection or stealth bomber collection. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all later.